Hello, good evening to everyone. Today's fantastic term that we'll be discussing is platelets and hemostasis. Why both words together? Well, if you look at the bone marrow, it is a region in which all blood cells are produced. So, from the myeloid stem cells lineage, we get the megakaryocytes, bone marrow bound cells. The megakaryocytes produces the platelets, also known as thrombocytes, or generally cell fragments. These thrombocytes generally have a lifespan of 10 days and are generally located as vesicles. However, they are destroyed and killed by macrophages in the spleen as well as in the liver. But if you look at the liver, it also contributes to the platelet production by producing the hormone thrombopoietin. So, thrombopoietin increases the megakaryocyte production and thereby increases the platelet number. So, who is this platelet? And why is it called a cell fragment? Well, because it doesn't have a proper cellular structure, no nuclei, not even organelles. But of course, it has a lot of cytosolic enzyme systems which help in producing energy, in producing various secretory proteins, and which are stored in the form of granules. And the most amazing characteristics of the platelet is the involvement in increasing the actin and the myosin production, which in turn helps in the construction of the or the contraction of the blood vessels. So thereby, let us see why is the second term that I mentioned earlier, hemostasis, connected with platelet. Well, hemostasis is basically stopping the blood flow. So who stops that? Of course, the platelet. So platelets play a role in stopping blood flow or bleeding excessively due to an injury. So this happens as vascular spasm, platelet plug formation, and of course the coagulation process. So when platelets gather up, when they aggregate together, when the glycoproteins bound with each other, they form the platelet plug.